Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing a wig review on the Sensational Free Part 3-way parting. This is the Jocelyn. I have it in the T4 Mauve. So I cannot wait to try this wig on. I even did my makeup to to go along with it. So hopefully it matches and it works. So I'm gonna take this out the pack and jump right into this. So this is how it looks straight out the pack. With the normal stuff. Look at the color. Check that out. This is the card that comes with it, and these are all the other colors. I'm gonna pause for a second so you guys can catch the drift on this wig. Nice, right? Where's my scissors? Let's cut this. Excuse me. Okay, so let me take this off. And also, if you guys are interested in my headband, I will have it linked in the description box. This is so cute for like a little kid or something. This lace goes extra long. I'm not trying to ruin my makeup, so I don't want to push it all the way far back, but okay. Okay. Ooh. This is cute. Yeah, that's cute. So I'm about to cut this lace and pop it on my head. I'm back, y'all. So I did notice this wig comes with baby hairs, which I did not know that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut down to the desired length hair real quick. Where is it? Where'd it go, y'all? It just ran off. Hold on, let me see if I can find this. That's why I like doing this on camera, because it takes so much time. Okay. So that's pretty much how good I will lay it down. Okay, y'all, I am done styling it. So I'm about to get into the details. So with that, I'm gonna turn the camera around so that you guys can get a full-size view of this wig. Okay, so this is just how the wig looks. I mean, the length and whatnot. This is beautiful. I am straight feeling myself. That, y'all. Okay, so yeah, this is the full detail of the wig. I don't think this is really gonna be an issue with tangling. It's very soft and the texture is very like, it's between, it feels like human hair. It's like a soft yaki. So I don't know if it's gonna tangle or not. And then you can also, if you wanted to, you can flat iron this, but I wouldn't. I love these curls and I love this color. OMG. So this is the parting, y'all. I did cut the baby hairs and add baby hairs. The cap size can fit all head types, I believe. The length, this is the length. I am 5'6". I'm 5'6", and it goes to about right here. What else? The style. As you can see, this is the style. This part, it is short at the top part, like right here, because that's the curls. It would be nice if the hair was long all the way through. I love wigs like that. Then I don't have to worry about, I wouldn't have to worry about the curls, getting into my face and whatnot. But overall, I really like this wig. Or you can wear it like this. but I don't like that. I like this. I like to ravel it up. So yeah, I do like this wig. I see why it's such a hype over it. This color is everything. I'm so glad I got the mauve instead of the rose gold. This color blends so well with my skin tone. It looks good with my makeup. Also, if you guys are interested in seeing my makeup, I will have that linked in the description box. So let me turn this camera around so the screen won't look little. So yeah, that is pretty much the end of this review. Like, I really like this wig. I really like this wig. If you get this wig, I recommend getting a color in this wig. This is so bomb. And also, for people who have like a smaller head, I would recommend wearing a wig grip. I'm wearing a wig grip because it tends to slide back. So put on a wig grip if you're gonna get this unit. Then other than that, that is the only issue I had with this wig. Well, not really, because I have a wig grip. So other than that, that's all I have to say. If you guys are interested, I'll have some links in the description box. And thanks so much for watching.